In this video, we'll show you raw apple cider vinegar, a powerful and proven weight loss aid. The list of superfoods is growing. A superfood is something that contains a high number of essential nutrients that, when consumed on a regular basis, can have a positive effect on your health. Why do we need superfoods? In a nutshell, the typical diet is very low in essential nutrients. Man-made processed foods are convenient and easily available but tend to be very low in essential vitamins and minerals. Without vitamins and minerals, your body won't function properly and your health is likely to suffer as a result. Superfoods such as pure cocoa, blueberries, green tea, spinach and maca are all promoted as having amazing health qualities, but the newest but also the oldest superfood is raw apple cider vinegar. If you want to learn more about this exceptional health food, watch it. What is apple cider vinegar? It has been around for centuries and was used in both cooking and medicine. Manufactured from fermented whole apples, the best apple cider vinegar is raw. That is to say, it has not been pasteurized, distilled or filtered, as these processes can reduce the healthful properties of the vinegar. Raw apple cider vinegar is best purchased from health food stores rather than grocery stores. This is because the vinegar sold for cooking is of a lower quality than the vinegar made for consumption as a health supplement. When it comes to apple cider vinegar, it pays to read the label and get the best product you can find. An age-old remedy. For centuries, apple cider vinegar has been used as a medicinal remedy for a wide number of illnesses. At one time or another, it has been used as a treatment for warts, fighting infection, as an antiseptic and even to increase fertility. While it's hard to say if this superfood really helped any of these conditions, there is no doubt that it can be very useful for improving general health and helping with weight loss. Apple cider vinegar and health. It's very rich in essential nutrients. Nutrients are vital for health. Without nutrients, such as vitamins and minerals, your cells, organs, and bodily systems will not function properly and ill health is likely to follow. Modern diets are often very low in essential nutrients and many people eat too much processed food. Processed food, as the term suggests, has been through a refining process to change the taste, texture and/or shelf life of the food, and this usually means fewer or no healthful nutrients. Many people's diets are very high in calories but low in essential nutrients, so even an overweight and clearly overfed person can be suffering from malnutrition. Consuming raw apple cider vinegar is an easy and convenient way to get a daily dose of essential nutrients. So, what nutrients does this powerful food contain? I'm glad you asked. It's quite a long list, but apple cider vinegar, and remember, go for the raw stuff and avoid any kinds of vinegar that have been filtered, pasteurized or distilled, contains these and many other essential nutrients. Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B1, B2 and B6, beta-carotene, a form of vitamin A, vitamin K, potassium, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, copper, iron. There aren't many foods, raw or otherwise, that can boast such a wide variety of nutrients. A power weight loss aid? In addition to being a miraculous health food, apple cider vinegar has been shown to be very useful for fat loss. With such a large proportion of the population overweight, many people are looking for ways to make the fat loss less of an ordeal. Exercise, strict diets, certain drugs, and even surgery are all used in an effort to lose fat, but recent research and plenty of anecdotal evidence suggest that good old raw apple cider vinegar can really help your fat loss efforts. In numerous studies, apple cider vinegar has been shown to increase metabolism, the rate at which you burn calories, decrease appetite, increase energy and vitality, lower blood glucose levels, improve fat burning. In a 2004 study published by Science News Online, subjects reported a 1 pound per month fat loss while using apple cider vinegar despite not making any dietary or exercise changes. Just imagine how much more effective apple cider vinegar would be if combined with some moderate dietary changes and regular exercise. How to use apple cider vinegar. If health is your aim, you should consume 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar first thing in the morning and the last thing at night. This will ensure you get a good nutritional start to your day and also provide essential nutrients for the repair process that happens while you sleep. If you are more interested in weight loss, and as this food is an effective appetite suppressant, consume 1 tablespoon 15 minutes before all main meals. For most of us, this means 1 tablespoon 3 times a day. If you are feeling hungry between meals, you could also try a tablespoon to ward off an unruly appetite. As well as preventing hunger, this also means you get an extra shot of healthy vitamins and minerals. Is it safe for everyone? Apple cider vinegar is a 100% natural product and as such is safe for a vast majority of the population to use. Not only is it safe, it can help treat a huge number of medical conditions including arthritis, high blood pressure, circulatory problems, depression, indigestion, digestive upsets, headaches, nasal congestion, rashes, ulcers. That being said, you should never attempt to self-medicate with apple cider vinegar and should always discuss your medical requirements with your family physician. It's unlikely your doctor will tell you not to take this food, but it's always better to be safe than sorry. Providing your doctor gives the all clear, you might find that your condition and symptoms improve rapidly soon after you start taking apple cider vinegar. Grab your spoon. It's clear that this superfood is both healthy and useful for fat loss, but only if you actually move from reading to doing. Make sure you get apple cider vinegar with the mother. It's relatively cheap, easy to get hold of and could be one of the best things you do for your health. Now that you understand how apple cider vinegar is a powerful weight loss aid. Thank you. To get more videos like this, hit the like, bell and subscribe button, and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next. Do you agree with our list? Join the discussion and let us know in the comments what you think. If you'd like help putting these cool ideas in your life, get in touch via the link below, or call us on this number, we'd love to help you.